The Roland Fantom X series comes with a USB connection, but in order to connect the Roland Fantom to a computer, it requires the appropriate driver. Roland has not released any drivers for Windows 10 or 11. The drivers for older operating systems are not compatible with Windows 10 or 11, and they don't work. The Windows X software that you see on the screen here was also designed for older operating systems. But unlike the drivers, they actually work just fine on Windows 10 or 11. The only problem is that they don't connect or communicate to your Roland Fantom over the USB connection. The good news is we don't actually need the USB connection in order for this software to connect to your Roland Fantom. All we need is the right MIDI interface. This setup works with any class-compliant USB MIDI interface. Common studio interfaces like the Behringer UMC series works flawlessly because they handle the sysx data properly. Very cheap USB MIDI interface cables sometimes connect but fail with the bulk patch data, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna use this budget Behringer interface to show you how to connect the Roland Fantom using two MIDI cables. This is the Roland Fantom XR, which is one of the X series. This is an audio interface with a MIDI in and out. What you do is you need two MIDI cables. I got this zoomed in. Now you take the output, the MIDI out from the Roland. That's it, that one. Goes into the MIDI in on the interface. And the input from the Roland goes into the output of the interface. Now it's crucial that you have both these cables attached because this is a two-way communication. You cannot just have the interface feeding MIDI in to the Roland because the Roland needs to communicate back to your software. That's why you need a two-way connection. This is the Roland Fantom next to the computer, plugged into this MIDI-Tech MIDI face through these two cables, which go into the back into the Fantom, which you cannot see because there's too much stuff here. The MIDI face is connected to the computer, which is here. Now on your computer start the Fantom software, Fantom X editor. Now you get this message. You ignore that because that's the connection hasn't been established yet. You first need to click onto Setup MIDI devices, and now choose whichever MIDI device that you connected your Fantom with for the input and the output. Then press OK. Now press Read. And you can see it's starting to load. The connection has been established. Now you can close the Fantom X editor. I'm not gonna save. And you can start the Fantom X Librarian, and it will also connect over the MIDI cable. And that, in my opinion, is the most hassle-free way to connect the Roland Fantom to the Fantom X editor or Fantom X Librarian on a Windows 10 or 11 computer.